Scotty Mo, Scotty Mo, Scotty Mo, Mo, Scotty Mo.
Finally.
Look.
Correcting more and more mistakes by the moment. But the door panel's on. I got to put one more screw up here. I had to realign the door panel. I don't know who did what before me, and I'm really getting sick and tired of having to correct this moron's mistakes. Yes, the door panel will be wiped down and cleaned up in a second.
Tell me how you really feel.
Okay, there we go. So, on each corner of the door on the bottom, this kind of hooks and slides on the inside.
There's a little hooker.
Yep. And then it screws in on the door itself because...
You get to screw your hooker?
Yep. The inside of these doors are metal. So, okay, fine, great. I'm loving it. It's good. And when we took them apart, I think I showed everybody. These are the screws they were using to self-tapper. I don't really know what you would use something like that for. Sheet metal? Something?
I used those when I built my deck at home.
Okay, so yeah, now we have decking screws in here. And everything was loaded with a washer and to make it fit properly, and nothing fit. So I'm trying to get the door level like it's supposed to be. I just got this little piece to put in, and then I'll put a screw in the side here. One screw here to tighten this up because now...
Hey, look, a door. Ish.
Because it's loose here, but...
Solid there.
Like it's supposed to be.
Getting there.
So I'll get this together, get the door handle on.
Might want to put a little...
Yeah, I think we've got a little bit of...
put a little spooge on the back side of the wood. Yep. There to... You're going to
and
spooge
then
the
I'll
wood?
Yeah, I'm going to spooge all over the wood. Bump.
Oh, God.
And I'll clean up this door panel because you can tell it's...
Yeah.
It's gotten nasty over time, so... And I mean, I got gloves on to be safe, but still, I've got to be careful with customer stuff just as much, so... I'll clean this up, scrub it clean, get a screw in here to hold this, get this done, get the handle on, and we'll be good. Now, ooh, I got to put the lock piece on.
Yep, and then the door, this door's done.
Yep.
The other door, you've got the window up now.
Yep.
Did you change the motor yet?
Yes, motor's all changed out.
Oh, nice, yeah. Good.
Motor's changed out.
Motor's changed.
That one had schmegma all over it, so I've got to...
Magma.
I got to put this on.
Chingadeiros?
Yep. So we'll put that on, get that all set and taken care of, and I got to get the mirror fixed. Oh, go figure, eBay. So we'll get that one together, and then I'm gonna have to do the same thing over there that I'm doing to this door panel, so that they all don't bounce around and
nice.
Yeah, and are clean and look appropriate.
Cool.
But we're getting there, guys. Thank you for your patience on all of this. We'll get you right, I promise.